Welcome back. So now what we need to do is that we need to display icons here or images on the left side. Remember, I already created here an image in the Kivy file. I created an image left widget in the list item with icon. So we need to access it. So to do that, to access it, what we want to do is that we want here in this loop, we want to access the image itself. We want to access the source. So to access the source, we need to here, we need to say comma, we need to say here comma, and then we need to access the source. Source. Here, here source. So what is the source? This source refers to this. This source refers to this source. Remember, we have this source that belongs to this class, which belongs to this image. So here I can say source and then the source. So here I can say source and then the source here is going to be equal to the image. So what is the image? The image simply can be this image, the logo. Or you can get another image and display it if you want. So I'm going to use the data and then / logo.jpeg. Let me now save and run my application. So if I run my application, as you can see, the logo will be displayed on the left side. And if you want to display another logo, you need to get another image and add it to this data folder. Finally, you need to understand again that this source is different from this source. So this source is a variable that I created, whereas this source belongs to this KV file. So you need not to get confused because this source is the source of the image. If you don't want to get confused, you can here say, instead of saying here source, you can change this to something else. You can say news source, for example. News source, and here news source. Now if I save and run one more time, as you can see, it's gonna work successfully and it's going to display all of the news. As you can see, it's gonna display all of the news. So there is no problem at all.